Hey there, welcome back to Unraveled. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a totally realistic car distraction scenes using VEO 3 AI just by typing a few words. No editing, no gear, just pure AI powered awesomeness. Let's make something crazy. So first we need to Google VEO 3 AI Pro version. So I already get the Pro. So if you want to get this Pro version, you can watch my previous video. I already showed how to get Pro version of Google VEO 3 AI. So first we need to make a car crashing prompt. So let's see how to make. Now copy this prompt. Go to VEO 3. After that, here you can see these three options: text to video, frame to video, and ingredient to video. So I am going to use text to video and paste the prompt. Now on the top right you can see the settings. So output per prompt, so you can select 4 3 1. So I'm going to choose 1. And then model, here you can see 3 model. I'm gonna choose this highest quality experimental audio, so you will get audio version also. So let's click on continue. Now it will take a few moments and it's generating. And there you go, we have successfully generated a car crashing video. Let's play. And finally you can download this video. On the top right you can see download option, just click on download. And then here you can see upscale option, original and animated. If you want to upscale this video, you can upscale up to 180 pixel. So I am going to keep original size. Click on original size and then you will see the original size video will be downloaded, and it's downloaded. And this is the video. And that's how you can make a car crashing video with Google VEO 3 AI. So if you want to make this type of video using Google VEO 3 AI, you have to follow my previous video. So in my previous video, I already showed how you can get Google VEO 3 subscription with free. So if this video helped you out, please consider to like, subscribe and comment this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.